Hello. If you've ever faced inconsistent fills, oil drips, or wasted man-hours on your line, this is the solution you've been waiting for. GSS delivers a fully automatic lube oil filling machine that handles 200-liter drums and 1,000-liter IBCs with unmatched precision. Why trust GSS? 1. Plus, 0.05%. Precision weighing. Accuracy that minimizes product loss. 2. Non-drip servo-controlled nozzles. Clean fills, no mess. 3. ATEX Explosion-Proof structure, built for hazardous environments. 4. Automatic cap. Opening and sealing. Zero manual labor required. 5. Viscous oil friendly. No foaming, no overflow. It's not just about filling, it's about efficiency, safety, and future-ready performance. This is how smart factories fill smarter. Ask us how we can customize it for your plant.